Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to clone apps on Samsung phone. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone and scroll down to Advanced Features. From there, tap on Dual Messenger. This feature allows you to create duplicate versions of supported apps, mainly social media and messaging apps. At the top of the page, you will see a list of available apps that support cloning. For example, if you enable the option next to Facebook, Samsung will install a second copy of the app on your device. Tap Install. Then follow the setup instructions and confirm the installation. Once completed, return to your home screen and you will see two separate versions of the same app. This allows you to sign into different accounts on each version. If the app you want to duplicate does not appear in Dual Messenger, there is another method you can use. Go back to the main settings page and open Security and Privacy. Then tap More Security Settings and select Secure Folder. Set up the secure folder by signing into your Samsung account and creating a PIN code. After the setup is complete, tap the plus icon inside Secure Folder and add the app you want to duplicate. You will now have one version of the app on your home screen and another inside Secure Folder. So that's basically how you can clone apps on Samsung phone. That's it for this video. Thanks.